name is Lindsay and I'm new to journaling. I wanted to save some money, so part of this video is making use of things I already have, but part of this is a haul. I ordered most of these things from Mochi Things because they had a sale and I was happy with what I've bought from them before, but I'll include where I got everything either in the video itself or in the description box. Once I decided I wanted to start journaling, I realized the first and most obvious thing to get was a journal. After doing a little research and watching other journaling YouTube videos, I decided on getting a 6-ring binder that holds A5 note paper. You can buy refills of any style of paper so you can experiment. I thought it was the best option for me as a beginner because it would allow me to try out different kinds of paper. Like, do I prefer lined or blank or dotted or grid? I don't know, but I'm gonna find out. I went with 1 pack of lined paper, 1 pattern designed to use for the cover, and a few shades of blank paper. I also like how you can lay the paper flat on your workspace as opposed to a journal, which isn't always an even surface. Plus, you can rearrange the pages or easily take out a page that you mess up. So overall, I think binder style is the way to go for beginners. The second most obvious thing to get was something to write and doodle with. I went with these pens because they were super cute. I love the cherry blossom and cherry designs. The packaging would also make a cute border or decoration for a page, so I saved them. I already have a few high quality pens from Japan, so I'm sure I'll be using them a lot too. Last time I ordered from Mochi Things, I got a set of dual deco pens. They're markers with a fine tip on one side and a highlighter tip on the other. I use the highlighter side all the time to write and doodle and wanted to get a set with different shades. My newest set is the retro pack. I really love these muted tones. I already had the pastel set and I think I'm going to use both sets a lot. I also love to doodle, so I thought it'd be fun to have colored pencils on hand, and they're also another option to have for writing and lettering. Castle Arts has sets based on various famous artworks and artists, so you can pick a palette that most fits your own preferences. Also, got a pencil sharpener, very necessary, and I love the color. The only thing more essential to journaling than stationery is a yummy snack to have while you journal. My favorite has to be what you see right here, a chocolate chip cookie and some cut up strawberries. They've been so sweet this year. I have started making at-home cafe times. I miss getting to go out to cafes. What I do is I get a snack, I make some tea, and I put on cafe BGM music or BTS piano covers, and it just feels so cozy and relaxed. It makes me feel like even though I didn't leave the house, that I am somewhere else. Maybe you're wondering why I decided to start a journal and what I'm going to use it for. I've always been a collector of things like movie tickets, Disney Fast Passes, cute tags from brands I love, paper remnants from travels abroad. I'm also a lover of stationery. I think that started when I was a little kid and my parents would take me to the Sanrio store at the mall. But for years my collection has remained mostly untouched. I've just kept those things in boxes and drawers and haven't really used them. After trying to do a diary-style journal where I reflected on things day by day as they happened and not sticking with that practice, I made a major realization that my mind processes things best when I have time to reflect back after some time has passed. I'm very nostalgic and sentimental, and I think journaling whatever comes to mind randomly is the best way to fuel that side of me. What makes journaling so fun and creative is what you can add to the page. I didn't want to spend a ton of money on stickers, so I cut out these cute images from a magazine and print ad, and I got some glue to turn them into DIY stickers. This glue says it's repositionable. I don't totally understand how that works, but we'll see. I want to get one of those glue tape rollers, so let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions, like a brand or online store you prefer. I saved the most exciting things for last. Who doesn't love a good sticker sheet? I limited myself to only buying 2 new ones. This color point sheet is part of a series of different personalities and aesthetics based on several color options. This orange one spoke the most to me. The bunny with the carrot cake slice is basically what I aspire to be. Also, the toaster is the best, and I really love bread. And this quote is so sweet. Don't let fear stop you from following your dream. Preach, sticker, preach. I also got this RDM Deco brunch sticker sheet. I noticed a lot of foods I like to eat on it, like mug cakes, blueberry pancakes, sandwiches, ice cream, corn on the cob. You get the picture. Brunch foods are my favorite, and I have a lot of strong memories tied to food, so I think this sheet will be useful. Oh, and of course, I had to pick out a washi tape, and I went with this one because it's my favorite color and one of my favorite animals. That's my journaling supplies for now. Thank you for watching. Let me know about your favorite journaling supplies in the comments. I appreciate you, and I hope your day is full of lovely moments ahead.